Hey YouTube, My Hearted Brain here. I just wanted to do a quick update video. We haven't been able to put up a painting in a few days, given the weekend, and that's when we like to put up our videos. But we just wanted to give an update. We're going to have a few more paintings coming out later this week. Given the COVID quarantine process and whatnot that's going around, the mom of My Hearted Brain is starting a new job. So she's, kind of falling into that and getting acquired and settled and whatnot. So we're kind of taking our time with the paintings, but we'll have a few more out this week, later this week. Hope you'll stay tuned. We're gonna have a few awesome abstract landscapes that are gonna be a fun project, and can't wait to show them to you guys. So we'll see you at the end of the week, about Wednesday, Thursday, and look forward to showing you guys some good content. In the meantime, check out some of our recent videos. We just did milestone number 50. It was a blast, a ton of fun, kind of one of our personal milestones. So go check that out. It'll be in the top right. But have a good week, and we'll see you at the end of the week. And we'll talk to you then. See ya.